Okay, so I want to touch in the identity UX improvement for the entry validate with alert. There is update the text with alert after validate the text correction here. Okay, so I have been create the existing data. Okay, this is the existing data from the total GGM PM 2024 TMK and CDRH 2024 0624. Okay, so for the first one, I want to try login as academic director. This is a validator of the test here, and the login as academic director. I want to access the validate correction task via uh, pending task. Okay, before I want to test using the existing data, validate the test correction here, and I access the mark entry page. Okay, the text check. Okay, this is the still to do. Okay, so I just want to check the suite alert validate submit in here. And okay, first one, I'll try to check using French. I click validate. This is validate as one, and I click again. I confirm. Okay, this is the suite alert validate submit. In here, I want to compare the expectation of the student. Okay, so yes, Bravo with the references validate submit. Bravo la grille lesbienne validée, post profis la consular dance Raymond Literature 6 to get into okay, this is a GI compress. Okay, with the validate submit. Then okay, after I check and I check in here. Okay, the task validated test is Tia, and after that I try to log in for the another uh, academic director here, CDRH 2024. Check CDRH and access cost 2024 0 into this check the test. Okay, scroll in here and I access mark entry page. Before I want to try to validate using the localization French and I now check in the localization English and validate. No? Okay. Okay. I think the Bravo is shot well done. The grid has been validated. You can console it in direction 6 of the teaching pipe. I have understood. Okay. Based on the improvement UI UX domain and currently, well done. Bravo in the uh, UX UI in the mark entry should change to the well done, and the title is should well done, not Bravo, and the text should the grid has been validated. Okay. But for the button, it's already good. I have understood. Yeah. And I think we need to change the graphic or the title is well done. That's it. Okay, I have to try check using the data that I created. So yes, we need to create the test report. Submit and I try to save as draft display code as one. After that, I submit the correction. And yes, also as academic director, I have tasks to validate the correction. So yes, this is submit mark as one. Okay, it is. Let's try to check here as this is the first correction. Before, when I using the existing data, uh, there is now the translation not in here. Hold on. So I try to using also the English check that data displayed properly. So I try to validate if this or title is proper. It should be the title is well done and the sentence is great start of the grid has been validated. Okay, so I think the problem is here. And after here, after I validate, I check the PDF result. Book one, try. Okay, it's, there are six students and display all of the here display the result or the PDF result. Try to access yeah review. What this and this Because Sheikh Alef is not following expectation in the improvement value estimate currently. For the part of the title and sentence in English.